Hi guys, welcome to Sudha's channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make easy homemade compost. So you don't require any fancy items. I will show you how easily you can make compost. So now this is what I've been doing so far. So first you can take any paint bin that you have. So you just need to make holes on the sides and at the bottom, and you have to keep a plate under the bottom. Can you see this? So that the liquid settles down, get filtered, and you can use that liquid since it's very fertile. Next you have to take the kitchen waste like this. So these are the green waste, and this coffee and tea filters, I mean the grounds of coffee and tea, those are called brown. So you don't have to confuse yourself. You just need to remember that the browns will be coffee, tea, and some newspapers. So even the dried leaves. So these are the important browns, and all the rest are the greens. So you have to mix the green and the browns equally, so that it should not be too moist, nor it should be too liquidy. I mean, nor it shouldn't be dry. So keep stirring the waste and you will get beautiful compost. Say in and around 90 days you will be able to get the compost. So it's half done now, and look at that. Down you see the compost, and this has been here for over 60 days. So you don't require any fancy items, guys. So I just put this green waste here and then put the browns. So if I find it a little moist, I will add some paper so that it becomes dry. And since I'm holding the camera, I cannot stir, so you just need to stir it up and down so that it's equally mixed. And one thing is, one important point is, you should not feel the stink. It should not stink. So remember that it should not be too moist, nor it should be too dry. So if you keep maintaining this, you should be able to get the compost, the end product, very beautifully. And another important point is, when you put the tea or coffee grounds, make sure that there is no milk products involved in it. I mean, it should be clean and there should not be any milk or any food particles. So just make sure that you just put only the leafy or green vegetables waste along with the tea and coffee ground, and then mix it with the dry leaves. And if you have old compost, if you're using it for the first time, you can just mix with the compost, and so that it speeds up the process. Otherwise, if you have soil, you can mix that as well, or even cow dung, that speeds up the process. So you just have to wait, and you can close it with the lid, and you can see that. I will lift and show you the liquid that gets collected at the bottom. It's here. So, and this is of zero smell. So the important point is that this will not give you any bad odor or smell, and there are no worms or anything. So if it is maintained with the proper balance, you will not have any bad smell or odor. So please do try this, guys, and don't waste your money on fancy items. You can just make your own compost bins, and you can get the black gold or the compost. Thank you so much. Bye.